must admit I've been trying to look the part but the clothes don't fit
너무 좋다.
진강까지 가다니.
네.
Gotta say
야, 수상한 히피 같아요.
저는 자전거 여행을 한국에서 많이 했어요. 혼자 할 수 있는 취미를 열심히 찾았거든요. 그래서 어렸을 때는 자전거를 좋아했구나. 그래서 다시 한번 자전거 타기를 시작했어요.
저번 제 워싱턴 DC에서 피츠버그까지 자전거로 갔어요.
그렇게까지 멀리?
진짜요?
네, 일주일 걸렸어요.
일주일 동안? 야.
아이고.
이거 대한민국 자전거 국토 종주 자전거 길 여행 여권이에요. 오늘
자전거 여권이라는 게 또 있나?
섬진강 자전거 길을 따라서 가려고 이렇게. 네, 임실군에서 곡성까지.
저쪽에 자전거 도로가 되게 잘 돼 있대요.
아, 진짜요?
네.
와, 기분 좋겠다.
와, 좋다.
우리나라가 아름다운 곳이 참 많아.
아, 임실에서 출발해서. 어이, 멀다.
So starting off at Imshil, it's the first time I've gone bike camping. I think in
진짜 아름다워요. 네, 한국 풍경이
그래서 이거 보세요.
진짜
너무
아름다워요.
예뻐.
Run, Forrest, run!
근데 지금 하체는 너무 아플 거 아니에요. 다리가 너무 아플 거야, 저거.
So bike through like Sigol. And seeing the reality, like some of the things I learned about being able to come here, you see like, oh, there's people here. So you get to understand the
뭐 대사님 좀 보고 계시나요? 네,
야, 우리
열심히 합니다.
달리면서도 일 생각합니다.
네.
아, 저거 재밌겠다.
이거
오.
재밌겠다.
이쪽에 있어요. 무슨 소리가 있어요?
매운탕 아닙니까, 이거?
네이 매운탕.
There's the fish. Oh, this is really good.
바람 소리 봐.
우와, 여기 어딥니까?
진짜 곡성까지 갔어요, 자전거로?
없어?
와.
진짜 예뻐요. 캠핑장이 너무 좋아요.
텐트가 어디 있어, 텐트?
어머.
It's hard to believe that this can fit in one small bag. 네.
저렇게 잔다고요? 저렇게 잔다고?
서울의 원룸보다 조금 더 큰 것 같아요.
아, 텐트가 되게 누에고치가 생겼다.
이 재미있는 것은 한국 사람들은 캠핑할 때 like, 큰 텐트 가지고
그렇죠.
like, 자동차로 네,
그렇지,
가요.
우리 차로 가야지.
저는 직접 다 해요.
아,
혼자 다 해요.
진짜요?
사실 미국이랑 우리랑 캠핑 문화가 완전 다르죠.
다르대요.
맞아.
Everyone see me in this tent? See, this is way scarier. I hope this wasn't too scary looking. When I was in Indonesia, COVID first started, first broke out, and I needed to leave the country earlier than my assignment was supposed to, so I went back to America. You know, COVID was hard for everyone. My experience was no exception. You had to find things to do that you could do by yourself. I'm gonna try to bike from Washington, D.C. to Colorado, which is halfway across the country. And it was gonna take me like 2 months. See as much of the country as I could because I've lived abroad for a long time. I've lived out of the country now for 15 years. And I've missed out on a lot in America.
아이코, 향수병이 있네요. 외교관들이.
And now, you know, it's like I work really hard and I have a beautiful wife and a small daughter and an expanding family, and all of these things are really exciting. And instead of being homesick for Maryland and my family lives there, which I am every day, I'm homesick for my family here in Korea. I wish they were all in here in this tiny tent with me. Time for sleep. And bye, everyone.
I don't think there's anything that cracks.
Cheers.
That was good. What did you get sangria? I like that. You want to try? Yes.
Because we all started the career, for those of us in relationships now, we started single, right?
Yeah.
Single? Did you
Dating, but single.
Dating, but single.
Yeah.
And we picked up cats, maybe dogs eventually, husbands, wives,
Yeah.
kids.
You have kids, like many things have happened,
I
but
did. I did
it doesn't
for a
feel like
year,
it.
But then I
Yeah.
did.
Yeah. What are things that you miss about America? Like, what's it like? Because I mean, you know, for me, I've been abroad for the past 15 years,
Right.
basically. Like, I miss nachos and French fries, things like that.
nachos.
Okay, sorry, it's not. Okay, sorry. I stand corrected.
Everything I can get in America, I can get in Korea.
Okay.
But I guess like,
what do you
we're not
like?
always
What's-
in a place like Korea, so that can be
Right.
hard.
That's
But
true. When you're not close to
Yeah.
family, it can be hard.
But do you guys miss home?
no.
I don't.
Hey, wow. I miss home every day.
Well, I guess like my concept of home has changed.
Exactly.
Right.
So like,
That's right.
we have some of us here at this table have been in for almost a decade plus.
Yeah, yeah.
And so yeah, and so
12 years, yeah.
Yes, 12 years. Yeah, for me.
Oh, some of us like
Same
a
thing.
quarter of our lives has been overseas or more. And so like your concept of home has to change.
It does. Yeah.
When like you
Yeah.
spend that much time away.
Yeah.
You know?
It's kind of wherever you are, but I gotta say, like, I always feel American no matter where I go.
Yeah.
Right? Like, it's very clear to me, even though I'm in a foreign country and I'm like speaking the language, even though you're moving around and like you're learning this language and that culture and in this continent, like you have something that like sort of makes you, right? And that's like your identity, and I think that we're fortunate, right? That's something that we know and we're confident in.
Yeah.
Okay, where do you think we'll all meet again? After we finish with Seoul? And we're done. All five of us. Where's the next? Where's the next
somewhere? Where's the ambassador?
Ambassador.
Yes, I'll be ambassador here. Yeah, okay. You all can pick really? I will be ambassador to Norway.
I want to be ambassador like Malawi.
뭐 만드시는 거예요 지금?
크랩 케이크요. 네, 메릴랜주 스타일, 메릴랜주식 크랩 케이크요.
맛있겠다.
유명한 음식 중 하나예요.
그거 한미 정상회담 할 때 막 먹고 그러는 거 아니에요, 저거?
맞아요.
저게
네.
미국의 대중적인 해산물 요리입니다.
아, 꽃게로 만든 맛있지. 미국 사람들도 게를 먹나 봐요.
네,
그래서.
맞아요. 특히 메릴랜주 사람들은 뿌른 게, 블루 크랩 많이
블루
먹어요.
크랩을.
블루 크랩 많이 먹어요.
근데 우리는 그동안 우리 팀이 진짜 열심히 일해서 저는 그냥 고마 드리고 싶어서 혹시 크랩 케이크 되게 좀 비싼 편, 좀 더 팬시한 음식을 했으면 좋겠다고 생각했어요.
올드베이 시즈닝이요. 특별한 스파이스 중 하나예요.
와, 마요네즈에 시즈닝을 저렇게 하는구나.
네.
아, 맛있겠다.
자주 하세요?
네, 모든 요리 자주 해요.
얼마나 자주 해요?
매일 해요. 네. 하수종 요리 학원을 다녔어요. 네. 그래서 양념게장 그리고 김치찌개 모든 찌개 전골 해물 전골 파전 모든 전 다 했어요.
요리할 줄 아는데 뭘 자꾸 보죠? 저 컨닝하는 건가요?
이거 처음 만들어 보는 거예요, 한국 와서?
네, 그거 문제예요.
저는 대학교를 다녔을 때 유명한 크랩 케이크 집에서 알바했어요. 근데 저는 그 요리해 본 적이 없어가지고 그 레시피를 검색했어요.
보기만 했구나.
근데 저는 꽃게 요리 많이 했어요. 해본 적이 있어요. 그 양념게장 집에서 만들었어요. 진짜 맛있어요. 시간이 많지 않았어요.
네네.
하게 했어요. 시간이 없어서 어떡하지?
샐러드를 그러면은 하지 말까요?
안 하면 사람들이 배고프다.
아, 이게 메인이구나, 오늘.
네. Yeah, if you're from Maryland, please don't watch this.
아, 이게 완성할 수 있을까요? 배달을 하는 게 낫지 않을까요?
마지막 배달을 하고 끝나는 거 아니에요?
네, 다음번에 저는 배달 시킬 거예요. 네. 이 게살을 쿠팡에서 샀어요.
콧땡에서.
그래서 그 냉동 게살이었어요. 그래서 미국 그 블루크랩 게살과 조금 달아요.
어디서
잘 안 됐어요.
재료 탓을 하네. 지금 내가 잘 못하는 거를.
Sorry I'm so late. brought some of my closest friends. At least it's not humid today, so underneath here is okay. Coming, yeah.
아 저렇게 각자 음식을 준비해서
아, 재밌겠다.
와우.
팝다크를 했어요.
와우.
미국 스타일 파티예요.
Josh,
I'm so nervous for the. I'm so nervous for the crab cakes. No, you should not. You should definitely not. No.
It smells really good.
Keep saying that. Keep saying that. Keep more.
I've never actually I won't comment.
To all of you guys, you know, the ADH launch and our trip to Gwangju and everything, and so we just wanted to thank everybody for the hard work. And... All right, let's eat. Yeah, 밥 먹자. Okay. All right. Yeah. I should know not to have her do these things. So, yeah.
I used to eat everything and it's never.
Participated in the round table with Vice President Kamala Harris, right? I'm so relieved. The crab cakes are good. I'm relieved.
They're really good.
Oh, I was so worried.
No, they're good.
대사관에서 일하는 직원들끼리 그 관계가 엄청 좋아요. 그래서 서로도 존재하고요. 2025년에 끝날 거예요. 근데 이 경험 때문에 그 한국의 매력이 알게 됐어요. 그래서 미래에 또 한국에서 살 수 있으면 좋을 것 같아요.
I know that. Okay, 하나, 둘, 셋. The whole time, but I guess you're putting on masks because you don't want to be on the camera.
Fourth-year student at Ipal Women's University, studying for my bachelor's in international studies.
Too many officers here. Let's find a place with no officers. Did this work? Yeah. My parents were super nervous, actually. It was funny.
He's an excellent colleague. He's always positive, always coming up with creative and great ideas, and just represents the best of the United States. As you can see, congratulations to all of you for joining this second cohort of the American Diplomacy House Academy.
You're working on behalf of your government and you just want to do a good job. You want to do things that your country would be proud of and that your family back at home would be proud of. And that makes you take the job a little bit more seriously. So, you know, for me, I feel so much pride and I feel so lucky and privileged to be able to do this job, but it also gives me a little bit of stress sometimes because I just want to make sure that I do the right thing and I do it well. So keep trying my best. 저의 슬기로운 외교관 생활을 봐주셔서 감사합니다.